What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. You might notice rain, well, it just goes hand in hand. Anyway, Skirrid Mountain Inn, check this place out. So what I wanted to do is just show you a very quick video of this place, and just another one of those videos just to try and prompt you to go over to the Paranormal Fellas, which is my paranormal channel, and go and check it out. Because I tell you what, we've got some investigations of this place, and there's gonna be another one on there dropping soon. And I tell you what as well, we also need to make a return to this place very, very soon. Anyway, let's go and have a little nosy. Let's go and stand under here, right? Because this is the only dry spot we got. Let's give that a wipe. My apologies. That's the thing when you're in Wales, you just gotta like overadapt to come and just get used to the weather, but that's alright. Anyway, this is said to be Wales's oldest inn. I tell you what, I've been coming here for 7-8 years and we've had some incredible paranormal activity over the years. I tell you what, go back, right? Link in the description, Paranormal Fellas. We'll see this place in a completely different light by dark. And it's a complete vibe. Recently, I had a new owner, it's been taken over again. Someone used to actually work here, so there's not much changes. So you can still come along, still get very active with the paranormal. And let's just check it. I was going to give you a little tour inside as well. I've just been in and had a bit of a chill, couple of drinks, but there's some work going on here, maintenance stuff. There's actually guests staying here as well. So that's why that's not happening today. But what are we saying? Vibes. So yeah, just go on over there. You might notice there's been Ancient Ram Inn has dropped on that channel recently as well. And there's a lot of cool stuff coming very, very soon. And I can't big it up enough because the plans we are making at the minute, you are not ready for them. Anyway, that's enough of me in a wet car park, standing at Abergavenny. It's wrong with us. We done.